Alright guys, we just got a Starbucks and we're getting ready for this 3-hour drive to Houston so we can get to the Houston Salsa Congress. So keep watching. Salsa Steve, what's up? Alright guys, we just got here to the hotel and we're about to go in there and get my ticket. Oh man, this is a long drive. Long drive!
It should be a Saturday.
There's a long ass line.
He's an amazing kid.
Looks like it's gonna be worth it, guys. It's gonna be good. Guys, this is Pedro. What's up? Daniel. Alright, it's time for the next excursion. Let's go find Zach. Alright guys, we just made it to Zach's dad's house. So let's go inside and check him out. See what he's doing. Yo! The borra.
What's up, bro?
It's the borrachotero. Round 2. And Julia! So we're gonna come outside. Everyone's starting to go to bed, and that's when I come out. Alright guys, we finally made it to the hotel. Yo, we just got here guys. Let's check this out right here. Everyone's just taking photos.
Oh my God. You're gonna be the whole centerpiece.
It is extremely crowded and hot in there, so we're gonna go upstairs and watch this on YouTube. It's so much better. Yo, we're about to go say hi to the guys. We're in room 1015. Let's see.
I'm just glad, like, you know, you guys took me in, and it's been great. It's been great. That's it. I love you guys.
One, two, mambo! You guys are looking real sexy right now. Woo, gym clothes, it's hot. David. Right here. Alright guys, we're going downstairs right now to go look at the, well, not the performances, we're going downstairs to look at the band, Jimmy Bosch. Oh, guess who joined the party?
There's no need to go down.
He's super Latino. Damn, my drunk? You haven't been drinking? All right. Hey, eso. All right, starting with you. What's your name?
I'm Karina.
Where you from? Where you from, Karina?
I'm local from Houston.
Oh, she's Houston local. That's why I never seen you. This is it. Wow, there's like a million people here. It's pretty packed. That's pretty cool, right? A lot of people in there. Hey! Where y'all from?
Houston.
One at a time, y'all.
Okay, we met Ada. College Station.
College
Station.
Salsa. Alright, where you from?
Yeah.
Come on, I got you. You're on?
Yes.
Where are you coming from?
Iran.
Iran?
Yes.
Oh, wow. That's a long way.
Yes.
Where you from?
I am from Honduras, but I was raised in Houston.
Okay, bachata or salsa?
Salsa.
Oh, está bueno, sí me gusta. Hey, look at that band, the Denver crew!
Pero yo soy adicto, no juegues conmigo, no
Man, what a night, guys. It's 4 a.m. and I'm exhausted. Let's go home and fall asleep. It was intense.